Here is my PSA for ASUI. So I went with an image in the middle that is colorful and yellow, and it really draws the eye right to the center of the billboard. And this will allow people who are driving by or walking by to see the clear image of my PSA without having to read a lot of words or try to understand what the message is. It's a very clear message with a very complimenting image. The color choice in this was also very impactful. So red and green are complementary colors, so I wanted to incorporate that, and I darkened the green and lightened the red for it to appear pink, and this provides a clear sight from far away. Some people can't see red on white or black on red, or there's a lot of different things that people who have difficulty seeing colors might not be able to comprehend very easily. So I chose warmer colors in order to evoke that sense of feeling and also provide easy access to a lot of different people. I wanted to use a clear image and clear message. So I said, want an A+ in class, put that phone away. And that is represented within the picture as well. And the main message I was trying to portray is if you are studying and doing all that you can for class, yet you won't pay attention in class because you're busy on your phone, you're really not going to be able to perform at the level that you would be able to be if you weren't focused on your phone. And that is really displayed in this image as well.